And welcome back. My name is Aoudi. This is the video series of visual programming in Java with NetBeans. In this lesson, we will learn how to create a simple desktop application with NetBeans, and we will apply the use of variables in Java. Let us take a look at the application that we will be building. It's a very simple desktop application where we have a main panel. I will run it. We have three text fields. The first text field is a product field. So let us say we're buying milk at the price of 2.5 and the quantity of 3 boxes. Show order. This will show us what we're ordering and it will show us the total. If we go and say we're buying also soda, the price is $1 and the quantity, let's say, is 7. Show order. We see the new order and we will see that the total got updated. Alright, I will close the application for now and start a new application together. Okay. If you remember from last time, we start a new project. We choose Java project, and then this time we will choose the Java desktop application, not regular Java application. The difference is really that this will create a skeleton for desktop, so we will have all the visual components that we just saw. I'll click next. I will call it simple desktop, and I will make sure that the set as main project is checked, and I will click finish. Okay, as we can see that NetBeans already created a skeleton for me, which I can actually run. It already has some components that are available in it. Okay, this is my main panel. As you see, I already have a menu bar. The file allows me to exit this application, and the help menu has an about command. If I click it, I will see basic information about my application. So first of all, I will go to this about window and make some changes in it. So I will close this. I will exit my application. Let us take a look at the project window. We have here the simple desktop view. This is the application or the Java program that actually renders or displays your application. This is the about box. As you can see, it has the components that we just saw. I will just make some changes here by double clicking, and I will say my first Java desktop app, and I will change this. I don't need a vendor, so I will say author, and then you can write your name. In here I will write my name. I don't need the home page, so I will get rid of it. Okay, so just modified that, and I will save. I don't need this anymore. I will play again just to see the new about dialog, and you can see that it's updated with your information. So NetBeans already created a skeleton with a lot of components available in place. Let us take a look at the right side of my development window. I have here the palette and I have here the properties windows. They are the main working components that I will use. If you remember, my application had few labels, few text fields, and a button. So let us start by looking at the components that are available. These are the swing controls. I will start with the label, and you can see that here in the properties area I can actually make some adjustments. So I will change the text from JLabel1 to product. Another thing that we can see here, if we click this code button, we can actually see that there is a variable, a Java variable called JLabel1, because the kind of a component is a JLabel. We can actually change that if we want. So let us call it LBL for label and product. Next, I will add a new label, and you can see that visually I can align this label. NetBeans will help me with that, and I will change this label variable name from JLabel1 to LBL, and I need price in here, and of course I also need to change the text to price. Okay, I need one more label, and this label I will call it quantity, and I will go to the code and change to LBL QTY, short for quantity. Okay, I have my labels. Now I need a text field available here, as you can see. So I will drag it, and I will make sure that it is aligned with the product. I will expand it because the product name might be a little bit lengthy, and I will change this variable name from JTextField1 to TXT, and I will call it product also, but I need to go to the properties and change the text. I need it to be empty for now, and I will drag another text field. If you actually double click it from here, you can get rid of its content and you can expand it. So let's make it a little bit smaller than the product text field, and of course we go to the code and change the name to TXT price. I need one more text field for the quantity. Okay, I change the size, I get rid of the text inside it, and I call it TXT QTY. Okay, you can get rid of the text. Alright, now I need a button, so I will go ahead and drag a button here. Okay, I will double click it and I will say show order, hit enter. You align it as you like, you expand it if you want. So let us make it just a little bit bigger, and